I'm a huge coffee fan. Anybody that knows me knows how much I really, really love coffee.
All of our coffees are single origin, generally a couple from South America, a couple from Central America, and one African coffee. And then right now we're doing a blend for you, which is our espresso blend, coffee from Honduras, Brazil, and Ethiopia. All of the unroasted coffee goes up here in the hopper. Generally our coffees are a 10 to 12 minute roast process, more or less medium, and we have the lighter side for African coffees. We have it, programmed for time temperature. We're getting pretty close.
You're starting to get to that point of the roast where you can actually smell the characteristics of the coffee itself.
Yeah.
It's where a piece of bread turns into toast.
Turn on the cooling tray, open the door, and then into the cooling bins.
Listen, independent coffee roasters are always worth going the extra mile for because I love coffee like I like air. First thing I'm tasting, Santa Barbara, California, an artisanal cup of coffee. I love this stuff here. Amazing. I love it. Welcome to Santa Barbara. Hey teams, how you doing? How's Santa Barbara treating you? So guys, here's the deal. I stopped off this place called Handlebar Coffee Roasters. The coffee is world class, but there's one more thing that they're also really, really famous for, avocado toast. Aaron Olson, who is the owner, is gonna swing by and he's gonna taste your avocado toast dishes. Whichever dish he thinks tastes the absolute best, I'm gonna award $300 additional at elimination.
Cocktail napkin stuff.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna make a decision on which avo toast was best, but when it comes to pizza here in Santa Barbara, there is no doubt that BETTINA has the best brick fire pizza in all of Santa Barbara, and we're gonna go check that out right now. This is one of the most beautiful California-looking restaurants I've seen in a long time. The dough looks really, really great. Smells good too, man. I can smell the yeast from here. It's nice.
Yeah, we use some high extraction flour in the dough, so there's a little bit of whole wheat flavor.
I don't think a lot of people pay attention to crust enough, right? But I think that is really an integral part of like mind-blowing pizza.
So we're gonna make our carbonara pizza, which is one of our white pies, kind of a riff on carbonara pasta.
Two things that I like a lot, by the way.
That's what we eat when we go home at night. So we hand pull our mozzarella every morning. We're just going around. I'm gonna leave a little center well for the egg, house ricotta, using Strauss organic cream.
I love that.
Provolone picante, pancetta.
And that pancetta looks like it has a nice pepper crust on the outside too.
Oh
right?
yeah. Our egg here in the middle.
What? Now, chef, carefully, you have to get this thing into the pizza oven.
Yes.
This thing feels super hot.
The temperature is about 850 degrees, so we burn red oak from up in the San Ynez Valley, so that's got a lot of kind of heat potential, so it burns long and hot.
Yeah, and good flavor too.
Yeah.
How long does this thing take to bake?
It's gonna be about 2.5 minutes.
Yeah. I love pizza, man. I really do.
We eat it every day. I don't get sick of it.
When you go the extra mile for pizza, right, you go on that pilgrimage to find that perfect pie. This looks like it's it. Nice job.
It's the moment of truth.
Did you crack the egg on top of this? About to make a mess of myself here. Come on, that is delicious.
Thank
That's
you.
amazing. Congratulations on everything, man.
Thank you.
Like everybody's talking about this place, it's well deserved. That is a fabulous pizza.
Great. Thank
really,
you very
really
much.
great.
Thank you.
You know, I don't think enough chefs actually do this. They go the extra mile, actually go to the farm, like this beautiful avocado farm, where we are right now, and taste what tree-ripened avocados are all about. I just get goosebumps just thinking about it. So Yvonne, Kristen, so you guys have been doing this for how long?
Seriously, since 2003.
The whole model is taking a tree-ripened avocado and shipping it to your doorstep.
So it's like tree to table. Mm-hmm. You guys have to feel like the luckiest people on the face of the planet sometimes, right? Just doing this?
Absolutely.
So here's the deal. I'm going off to this cool restaurant tonight called Silver Bell, but I want to take the chef a case of avocados. Is that cool?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think you should pick it.
We got a perfect tree right over here. Look at that. Oh, how beautiful green this is. This is perfect. These will do just fine. Thank you. Amazing. Philip, Margarita, how you doing?
How are you?
How are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too. How's it going?
Very good. Welcome.
This place is adorable. Congratulations,
Thank
man.
you. Thank you. What do you got here?
So I went actually to the farm this morning and I handpicked a whole case
Oh, beautiful.
of organic avocados for you guys. My gift to you.
Cool, thank you. Well, come back this way.
That's to you.
This is the silver bough.
This is a chef's dream. 550 bucks, 8 people, 1 service a night. How many courses?
We actually break it into what we call acts. The first act takes place entirely in the ocean, the second on land, and the third in what we call the world of sweets.
It's a whole theater experience. Yeah. I just want to check out a couple of courses.
Yeah.
I know we don't have time for the whole thing.
This is actually what's referred to as the legendary olive wagyu. Our understanding is that we are the only restaurant in the United States of America that carries this beef. So this is from Kagoshima, where all of the olive oil in Japan is made. I've never had beef this good. This is the center cut of the ribeye. I'm gonna brush this with a little bit of homemade soy sauce, pan fry it with a little bit of homemade butter, and then finish it on the wood grill back here.
Wow.
We serve it with what we call grandma-style mashed potatoes.
My grandma made mashed potatoes just like this. Shaved truffles.
Just covered with black truffles.
Look how blubbery this is and tender. Wow. Do you hear that 100 times a night? You must.
8 times a night.
8 times a night?
In unison.
There's no doubt about it. You taste olive and the beef, and that's so interesting. The texture and everything is perfect. It's hard to pull that off every, like, batting 1,000, you know?
This is a tartare of live Santa Barbara spot prawn. We season it with a little bit of our homemade soy sauce, house-made ponzu, a salt that we make with matcha, mushroom, and kelp. Then we finish it with a little bit of freshly grated wasabi roots. And what I'm finishing over the top of the sea urchin is an aspic made with local tomatoes and wild thyme. So it's really a celebration of Santa Barbara. You know, we have arguably, if not absolutely, the best prawns in the entire world.
Hands down.
But we also have arguably, if not the best sea urchin in the entire world.
Look at that, the uni, the spot tail prawns. Did you get that lovely kind of clean flavor from spot tail prawn tartare, which to me is sugar, right? Raw sugar, very sweet. But then that really kind of deep oceany bite with the uni all at the same time. What a fabulous combination, man. Just to have the freedom to express art like this every day, it's so great. It's my last bite in Santa Barbara before we head to LA. And I'm so lucky to got a chance to hang out with you guys for a couple of hours. Hope you enjoy the avocados.
Absolutely.
Hey, listen, we had a great time hanging out with you in Santa Barbara, and we'll see you guys next week on the road. We had a great time hanging out with you on the road. Santa Barbara is fabulous. Thank you so much for checking out Food Network's YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys next week on the road. Thanks.